BMW of Minnetonka is very lucky to have this very limited production X5. Hey everyone, it's Joel Runk, one of the client advisors here at the dealership. What this vehicle is, it marks the 25-year anniversary of the X5, and this is the Silver Anniversary Edition. But it's not just that this vehicle marks 25 years of the X5, it's what this vehicle can do both off-road as well as on-road during virtually any type of condition. Let's take a closer look. The Silver Anniversary Edition X5 is designed to go off-road or drive in virtually any type of road condition. It's not designed to climb boulders, but the capabilities and protection on this vehicle are what sets it apart. Starting from the bottom, the vehicle has underbody protection shields extending the whole length of the vehicle. These are designed to protect mechanical components from rocks, dirt, or any other debris while traveling off-road. The Silver Anniversary Edition X5 comes equipped with air ride suspension, which can be adjusted for greater ground clearance when traveling in deep snow or varying terrain. The vehicle's suspension can also be lowered to facilitate greater aerodynamics on the car. And even on-road, the air ride suspension will allow for greater cabin comfort. A&M Sport differential comes with the vehicle's off-road package. This will allow for enhanced torque vectoring at the rear axle, which allows for better cornering on highways, but more importantly, the rear differential on the Silver Anniversary Edition X5 can lock, so it sends power to both rear wheels for extra traction on steep or slippery surfaces. My personal favorite are the different off-road drive modes, which can be selected on demand. They include snow, gravel, rocks, and sand. Even if you don't drive off-road, clients will find the modes useful when traveling down roads that don't see snowplow coverage right away, or perhaps the overall maintenance of the road itself is lacking, and then these drive modes will be very valuable. Other features include shadowline trim, and this color in lime rock gray metallic is amazing. The Silver Anniversary Edition X5 comes equipped with both all-weather floor mats and an all-weather cargo liner, so dirt and debris stay on the mats, not on the carpeted floor. Plus, the vehicle also has a wonderful cabin, and I love the carbon fiber trim and special badging, which is on the front console and along the length of the dash. Overall, this very limited X5 will provide enhanced capabilities during inclement weather, especially in Minnesota where our dealership is. Clients will also find value in this if they are taking the X5 to off-road locations or they're on roads that are of minimum maintenance. And if you would like to get behind the wheel of this very limited X5 and maybe even take it home, call or text to me at 952-295-4970. Thanks for watching.